Here I have REALME C3i, and today I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock apps with fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you will have to open settings, then you have to go to the fingerprint face and password section, then you have to go to the fingerprint. So firstly, what you will have to do is to add a fingerprint. If you don't know how to add fingerprint on this device, you can find the video tutorial about it on our channel. So firstly, you'll have to go check out the video, add fingerprint. Then when you're in fingerprint section, you have to select use fingerprint for, then enable app lock. Then you will have to set up privacy password. You can set the 6-digit one, you can use different password type. For example, you can select pattern 4-digit password, 4 to 16-digit password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. I'll just select the easiest one, then you have to enter your password, confirm it, then you have to enter security question, tap done. And then when you enabled app lock, here to lock apps, just go to the security section, privacy, and then go to app lock. Then you have to enter password, and here you can lock apps. Let's lock all of these recommended apps, and now these apps are locked, and as you can see, I can't access them without my fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.